Hello, guys and girls. Welcome back with the third Sudoku. Yes, it's a binary puzzle. In this edition of today's newspaper of Saturday. Yes, it's weekend, Saturday, November the 7th, 2020. We have here a binary puzzle. And this will be number 1857. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here O, then O. Double O, here one, then one. Double one, here O, then O. Double O, here one, then one. Double O, here one, then one. Double O, here one, then one. Double one, here O, then O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, then one. Double one, here O, then O. Double O, here one, then one. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here O, then O. Double one, here O, then O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And double O, here one, then one. Double O, here one, then one. Double one, here O, then O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes in 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, then 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's. Oh, no, here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Wow! Finish in 2 minutes! I'm very impressed. Yes, in 2 minutes with this binary puzzle. No comparing. Yes, you can solve this also in 2 minutes. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a moment with the last Sudoku, a tectonic with 3 stars. Yes, see you later. Bye bye for now.